All right, nice snowy day here in Cookeville. Mr. Demery here and my little assistant. We're gonna be doing an experiment today on different materials that melt ice and which one does it the best. So I have for us the experiment. Let me turn this around. And it says, what material melts ice the fastest? And I want you to come up with a hypothesis. Our materials are gonna be cups, ice, same amount of ice we wanna measure out. Salt, sugar, sand. We're gonna leave the sand for another video, but we're just gonna compare salt and sugar today. And then we need measuring cups. And of course you need to have your data and have some kind of log to determine how long it takes for each one to go ahead and melt the ice. So we have everything set up over here. We have our control cup, our salt, and our sugar. And then over here we have the salt that we're going to go ahead and use, and the sugar, and then our measuring cups. I think what we're going to do is we're going to do 1/3 cup of ice, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt on each. And then we're going to go ahead and time it with Paisley's timer. Right, Paisley? All right, so Paisley, I need you to go ahead and get me some ice in that measuring cup so we can go ahead and put it in our cups here. Yeah, some ice, some snow. Isn't that what snow is? Go ahead and level it off. All right, perfect. Put it in our cup. Perfect. Next one.
Next one?
Yep. Sounds like a tree fell down. That's been happening all day. Try to get the same amount. Level it out. All right, put it back in the cup. There we go. And one more. Now, after you put this in, go ahead and get your timer ready, Paisley, to start our timer.
There you go.
Thank you. While she's going to get the timer, I'm going to go ahead and measure out our salt and our sugar. So, we're going to go ahead and measure out 1 teaspoon of sugar. Put that in our sugar container, which is over here. And 1 more sugar. Level that out. Put that in our sugar cup, nice on top. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our salt. Put that in our salt ice, and 1 more salt, level it out. And Paisley,
what?
Go ahead and start the timer. Now we're gonna go ahead and stop the video here. If you want to do this experiment, you can do it with other materials besides salt and sugar. I'm going to do sand on the next video to see how that works. I've heard of people using coffee. What else have they used? Coffee, brown sugar. I've even heard brown sugar. Yep. But Paisley, you have any suggestions of anything else we could probably use to maybe melt ice? Just off the top of your head, anything you want to add? Something that you would want to try?
Hot water, maybe?
Hot water. I think hot water definitely would melt ice. But what if we didn't have hot water? Like right now, we don't have hot water. How would we get our ice to melt? Nothing? No ideas? Well, we'll keep working on some ideas. But other than that, we will come back and let you know how long it's taken for the ice to melt. If not, I'll put a description into it in the below to tell you exactly how long. Other than that, hopefully you guys get a chance to try some other materials besides salt and sugar. And then in my second video follow-up, we'll do a sand, and then I'll tell you exactly why some of these materials work and some of them don't. All right, until then, see you later.